Hi, my name's Margaret and today I'm going to let you know why I chose Dr. Motwani's office for my LASIK surgery. Prior to coming here, I had cataract surgery and then I had LASIK. My vision was 600 plus. I had narrow angling of the eye and I also had terrible astigmatism. Now I can see perfect, 20/20 in one eye and 20/30 in another, which is actually a miracle. And I chose Dr. Motwani's office because I liked his degrees, I liked his bio. He has patented several procedures in this LASIK area. Plus, his eyes were terrible. As he was growing up, they got worse and worse. He's had the same procedures, and now he doesn't wear glasses either. And I would recommend his office to anyone. They've been just wonderful for me.